Going on a cruise for the first time can be an exciting yet overwhelming experience. With so many destinations, activities and options available, it's natural to have questions. Whether you're setting sail for a tropical paradise or an adventurous expedition, this guide will help you navigate the world of cruising with confidence. Choosing the right cruise is the first step in planning your trip. Cruises vary widely in terms of duration, destination, atmosphere and budget. Some people prefer the sun-soaked beaches of the Caribbean, while others might be drawn to the icy landscapes of Alaska or the rich history of the Mediterranean. The length of your cruise is also an important factor, ranging from short weekend getaways to extensive month-long voyages. Additionally, consider the size of the ship. Large cruise ships offer extensive amenities, including water parks, theatres, and numerous dining options, while smaller ships provide a more intimate and often more luxurious experience. Different cruise lines cater to various demographics. Some focus on family-friendly environments, others emphasize luxury, and some are designed for adventure seekers. A common concern among first-time cruisers is understanding what is included in the fare. While policies vary by cruise line, most standard fares cover your accommodations, onboard meals, entertainment, and access to basic ship facilities like pools and gyms. Most cruise lines provide complimentary water, coffee, tea, and select juices. But alcoholic beverages and sodas often come with an additional charge. Specialty dining options, shore excursions, spa treatments, Wi-Fi, and gratuities are typically extra, so it's important to budget accordingly. Packing smart will ensure you have everything you need without overloading your suitcase. Your wardrobe should include both casual and formal attire, as many cruise lines have dress codes for certain dining areas or special events. If you're heading to a warm destination, don't forget essentials like swimsuits, sunscreen, hats and sunglasses. Comfortable footwear is crucial, as you'll be doing a lot of walking both on and off the ship. It's also wise to bring any necessary medications and toiletries, as onboard stores may have limited selections. Additionally, since cabins often have limited outlets, bringing a power strip, without surge protection, can be helpful for charging multiple devices. The first day of your cruise sets the tone for your trip, so it's important to be well prepared. Arriving at the port early can help you avoid long lines and allow you to board with ease. Keep all necessary documents, including your passport, boarding pass, and any required health forms, readily accessible. Since your checked luggage may take a few hours to reach your cabin, packing a carry-on bag with essentials such as swimwear, toiletries, and medications is a smart move. Once on board, take some time to explore the ship and familiarize yourself with its layout and amenities. Once your cruise is underway, there are countless ways to make the most of your experience. Try new activities such as trivia games, dance classes, or adventurous excursions like snorkeling or ziplining. Cruise ships offer a variety of entertainment, including live performances, comedy shows, and outdoor movie screenings. Food lovers can indulge in diverse cuisine options, from casual buffets to fine dining. When the ship reaches its destinations, take advantage of shore excursions to explore new places and experience local culture. Amid all the excitement, don't forget to set aside some time to relax, whether it's lounging by the pool, enjoying an ocean view from your balcony, or unwinding with a spa treatment. As your cruise comes to an end, it's important to follow the ship's instructions for a smooth disembarkation process. Ensure that you've settled any outstanding charges, packed your belongings the night before, and have transportation arranged from the port to your next destination. A cruise is a fantastic way to explore multiple destinations while enjoying top-tier accommodations and entertainment. By choosing the right cruise, packing smart, and making the most of your time on board, you can ensure an unforgettable vacation. Bon voyage!